Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 2 episodes, we are going to show you 10 tips how to motivate yourself and accomplish your goals. So let's get it started. Motivation. 10 simple steps for self-motivation. 1. Goal setting. Setting feasible and realistic goals is crucial, though. Decide on a date by which you want to accomplish these objectives. 3 categories of goals exist. Short-term objectives. These could be completed in a few weeks or months. Mid-term objectives. These often require a year or 2 to complete. Long-term objectives include your intentions for a future job, a future marriage, a future home purchase, or anything else that will require more time here. 2. Money matters. We are not discussing millions of dollars in this instance. We are arguing that simply having enough money to live comfortably is a powerful drive. You might start by setting aside a significant amount of your salary each day or each month. 3. Shun any loans. The explanation is straightforward. A sizable amount of your income will be used to pay off any loans or credit card balances you may have. Unless it is for a legitimate and compelling purpose, such as purchasing a home, try to avoid taking out loans as much as you can. 4. Stay with positive people. Whichever the circumstance, they will always strive to make you feel better. Such upbeat individuals will inspire you even when you are depressed and defeated. Additionally, whenever you have a bad thought, talk to that person in person or over the phone. 5. Appreciate yourself first. When you start to lose motivation, remember all the wonderful things you have accomplished in the past and take stock of all the wonderful experiences you have had. Also, keep in mind all the difficult situations you have faced and how you managed to survive them unscathed. Being proud of your accomplishments is a powerful motivator. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.